Wesley, right behind the camera. Houston Grounds class at Chat State. First year, first semester. And we're going to show you how to check temperature pressure on a tank. This is a known temperature. It's been 69 degrees all day. And Wesley is going to show you how to check the gauges for any trouble.
Check the glass, make sure there's no cracks, damages anyway. We're going to check our manifold, make sure everything looks good, glass is good. Then we're going to check our hoses. First we're going to check the O-rings and the Schrader valve. So that one's good. O-ring, Schrader valve good. Good. Check the other ones for O-rings. Good.
This is shut. This is shut.
Good. And good. Now I'm going to check my hoses for any cracks, dings, whatnot. Dry rot.
Now we know there's at least one drop of refrigerant in this tank. We know the temperature. Wes is going to step in here and he's going to hook them up. We're going to check the pressure temperature on the wheel. You just confirm that the manifolds were off.
My job is dictating. He's just that. You're just engineering. What will be your backup? You right now. Do the drive back one more time. Will we?
Okay, I got that on there. Nice and snug. Now
Ready?
Yeah, we'll start.
Because I'm going to start looking at the thermostat. Demonstrate that we already know.
show right here.
You would introduce this first.
This is R22, which is the green here. Tells your temperature,
Because then I have to walk over.
and your pressure will be out on the outside outer edge. So it's on 69. It looks about right. And if we're gonna change it, we're gonna take this out here.
If it needed to be calibrated,
Chris?
we'd take this out and use a small flathead to adjust either side.
We are studying heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and today we are going to show you how to properly calibrate
Okay.
a set of manifold
What's
gauges.
that?
So take it away.
Well, so first thing before we hook these up, we just want to make sure
Okay, I'm
we double check everything.
shutting the manual shut off.
We're going to check our O-rings.
That way I can.
Make sure
I'm
the
also gonna turn
right
the
end
back
hose
off
on the right
before I
floor of
take
the
release the
manifold.
hose off.
We're going to make sure all our valves are open on our hoses and they closed on our manifold gauge. We're going to check our hose for any cuts, scratches, dry rot. And we want to check to make sure
Now we're
the
gonna do the same
gauges
deal.
themselves don't have
Low
any
pressure
damage.
side. Everything on. Let's read the pressure here. As you see, it's at 69 degrees, so we don't need to calibrate it. But if we did, take that out there and get a flathead screwdriver and adjust it as needed.
Alright, to start off, we'll make sure we're closed. This is tight on there.
Alright,
We're gonna hand
close
this
finish
over
that off.
to Travis to hook up to the refrigerator.
Turn the tank off. Take my hose off. And release all the pressure out of the hose.
That's how you calibrate gauge set from a jug refrigerant, but no temperature, no pressure.